What's up, my LS crazed amigos? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop once again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. Yeah, as you can see, we're trying to get this Trailblazer going, summed up, buttoned up, started up. One of the things I'm buttoning up now is the transmission cooler. Anytime you have automatic transmission, it'd be a good idea, it'd be a smart idea to have an external cooler. The transmission cooler pretty much looks like a little radiator that sits in the front and it cools the transmission fluid before it goes back to it. PCM of North Carolina hooked a brother up with a transmission cooler. So let's go over and look at what it is, and we're gonna install it. Yeah. Now PCM of North Carolina make great products, and I got a bunch of them on my Trailblazer SS here. Here's the transmission cooler. I started putting this together and then I got questions about, installing one. So let's just run through it real quick. This is the transmission cooler, all right? So now you're gonna have this L bracket that you put in. Now the bracket goes behind this piece on the back side. This bracket bolts to the front side. You see? Right there. The corner where you have the fittings, the side that you have the fittings, the 90 degree is gonna come in here. You're gonna put it in here and you're gonna bottom it out because you want this thing in as far as it can go because it's gonna go up against the frame. This fitting right here is gonna be the straight fitting. So you don't have to go crazy with this. But you also should use tape, which is provided in the kit. They give you a bunch of fittings so you can do, if you want a custom look, you want to do a quick disconnect, you can set it up that way. Braided hoses, you can set it up that way, depending on what you want to do with your, the look that you want to have, on your hoses and your transmission cooler. This is going to go just like this. This is where the headlight is. It's the front of the car. And this is going to go on the driver's side, like right in the front. Now, when you install these brackets, you don't want to tighten them up. You want to keep them loose until the final install. Then you're going to tighten them down. That will give you a little maneuverability to move them and fit them in, and get them to a position where they should be, and you'll be golden. Now, on the Trailblazer SS and most automatic cars, the radiator will have a provisioning to cool off the transmission fluid. Yeah, so at the bottom of the radiator, you'll see like little openings. That's for the transmission fluid to go through, and it's going to cool it. All right. So now, when you install an external transmission cooler, what we're going to do is we're going to go from the transmission to the radiator where it's going to cool it, and then it's going to come out of the radiator. Normally, it would go back to the transmission, but no, we're going to send it to trans cooler. And then it's going to do its jive all up in here, and it's going to come out, and that's going to go back to the transmission. So this is going to be another step of cooling that the 4L70 and just about any other automatic transmission so desperately needs. So let's install this. Now we're in the front of the Trailblazer SS. The front fascia isn't on just yet, and I'm kind of glad because now it'll be that much easier to show you, like where everything goes when you're installing this cooler. So it's going to mount just like this. You're gonna remove this, and the kit comes with a J clip like that, and it comes with a bolt that you're gonna use to install it. 2 bolts. One's gonna go here. One's gonna go here. When you're installing, keep this upright because this is gonna bolt in the corner right here. I'll show you in a sec. Here it is, the bracket installed. This is the added J clip with the bolt, and remember this bracket right here. Don't forget to tuck the inner fender on the inside before you install the bolt. So this is where that opening is, so you can get all that nice cool air cooling off the transmission. So what's left? Just run the lines and you're done. You have just installed a transmission cooler. Your transmission is going to run so cool it's going to need a jacket. The transmission is going to be like, ooh, it's kind of cold up in there. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, I want to thank you guys. for all the love, the questions, the attention, all that good stuff. Keep them coming, comments and all that, good, bad, whatever, indifferent, who knows. But even still, and I want to tell you that I'm really enjoying them. So thank you very much. Keep it up. So now if you like what you're seeing, what you got to do is you got to hit that subscribe. Hit the subscribe. Let's do it right now. Hit the subscribe. Just subscribe somewhere on that page. It says subscribe. It's red button. Hit that. Next to the subscribe, there's a little bell. Ding-a-ling-ling. Hit that bell, because what that does is when I, Coverman 66, drops another video, you'll get a little email saying, hey, you don't want to miss it. And you don't want to miss them, because I got tons of emails. I got tons of videos, I got tons of emails too. Tons of videos coming out. And I hope it's something that catches your eye and you want to definitely watch. But I'm looking at the clock on the wall. Or should I say ceiling? Yeah, show the ceiling. It's like kind of the wall ceiling. I'm going to show you a picture of it one day. It's weird. But anyways, time for me to head on off and finish running those lines. We're going to get it tuned. When the videos hit that, it's going to be big. All right? So, as always, please be easy. And I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.